Ayan, very good. You get the spoon, you pour everything. That's your first pizza creation. I-eat natin yan ha. You can put design, parang smiley.
Oh no, it's okay, Stella. It's okay.
I'm already done.
Oh, wow. What do you want?
Yan. Pag finish na po sa tomato sauce, you put the cheese, the mozzarella cheese, you can put the cheddar cheese, and then the meat. Kung sino po unang makakatapos, pwede na po natin siyang isalang.
Okay, go.
Para maluto siya.
Go, go.
Ang
Okay.
ginagamit po nating oven dito, meron po siyang bato. May bato po siya sa ilalim. And sa 300 degree oven po natin siya sinasalang for 8 minutes.
Okay, done, kuya. Cheese naman.
Kaya po minsan matagal yung mga orders natin kasi freshly made po lahat ng tinitinda po dito sa Papa Arj. Ang pasta po, hindi po nakaprepare ang sauce. Pag umorder, dun pa lang po ginagawa yung sauce mismo. Yung pizza naman po, pag in-order, dun lang rin po natin minamasa yung pizza from dough ball
Spread mo.
to the toppings.
Sa side,
Tapos
Stella.
isasalang pa po natin siya sa oven. Ang chicken, ganun din po. Wala po tayong pre-cooked chicken. Lahat po ay niluluto upon order. Yan, spread natin ha, Ate Stellar.
Spread
Chef,
mo.
tatawagin ko kayo ngayon chef ha. Si Chef Kirby. Chef Kirby, finish ka na sa tomato sauce. Finish mo na yung tomato sauce. You pour everything. You put everything there.
Yan, oh, very good, Kuya Sky.
Sasarap pag kulang.
Oh, Cloudy, look at Kuya Sky, oh. Look at Kuya Sky. Oh, look, very good.
Si Chef Sky. Chef Sky, yan di ba nagme-make siya ng pizza? You put everything in tomato sauce.
I love it.
Yan.
I love it. Very good.
Put all the tomato sauce.
Very good. Oh, sige.
Put all the toppings na.
Okay.
You can touch this. You can get this. Yan. And then you pour everything.
Okay. More, more. Oh, Cloud, more. Go.
Next, pwede na po yung meat. Mag-wash na lang po ng hands sa...
Stellar, sa side, sa side, sa side.
You get the cheese first. And then last yung meat.
Oh, you want
Kasi
ba?
matatabunan siya ng tomato ng matza, hindi na siya makita.
Ayaw daw niya nung...
Pwede na yan, ma'am, yung kay Bea.
You like the
Palagyan ng
pineapple?
pangalan, palagyan ng pangalan.
Yay! You like pineapple? Okay. Wow. You like pineapple? Wow.
Ayaw ng meat? Pwede pong walang meat. Wow, is that a volcano? It's okay, mag-spread naman yan later pag naluto.
Yay!
Yay!
Are you happy?
Good.
Are you happy?
Finish na, get ko na ha. Pag finish na, get ko na para makapag-cook na tayo. Yay!
Yay! Very good, Kuya
Good job,
Sky.
Kuya Sky. I'll get this ha.